Hello friends, this topic is taken from history. The title of the video is Journey of Caliphate. After the death of Prophet Muhammad, the Muslim community was headed by four rightly guided caliphs. Khalifa means the successor to the Prophet Muhammad. Caliphate was the institution symbolized the collective unity of Muslim community and its historical continuity. As Muslim monarchies were set up later, the Caliphate became hereditary, but continued to be significant up to the destruction of Abbasid Caliphate by Mongols in 1258. With the emergence of several Muslim kingdoms, the Caliphate ceased to have any significance. The enterprising Turkic leaders, in order to reinforce their own position, exhibit the Caliph's sovereignty over the territories they had conquered by including his name in the Khupta and on their coins. This enhanced their prestige as a sultan and legalized their rule in the eyes of Orthodox. However, throughout the period of colonialism, there were sentimental reference to the Caliphate as an office. There was a belief that Caliphate would free the Muslim from Western domination and would give them the possibility of rejuvenation and victory as it had done in Islam's early history. Radical Arab intellectuals in the last century had an added reason to seek the revival of Caliphate. For the radical intellectuals, Caliphate stood for the unity of Arab land that had been arbitrarily divided into independent states after First World War by Sykes-Picot Agreement. The Sykes-Picot Agreement was secretly worked out between Britain and France during the war itself. The Khilafat movement, also known as Indian Muslim movement, took place between 1990 to 1924. It was a pan-Islamic political protest campaign launched by Muslims of British India, led by Shaukat Ali and others, to restore the Caliph of Ottoman Caliphate. Ottoman Caliphate was considered the leader of Sunni Muslim as an effective political authority. It was a protest against the sanction placed on Caliph and Ottoman Empire after the First World War by Treaty of Sevres. To conclude, in 2014, the Islamic State of Iraq and Syria calls itself a caliphate and claims religious authority over all Muslims. Thus, the caliphate announced by ISIS is redolent with historic and emotive content. Thank you for watching my video.